Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2015 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic. Now, this is a 2015 car and is absolutely gorgeous. Let me tell you, I don't think you'll find a nicer 2015 Range Rover in the UK today. Now the car's finished in factory pearlescent optional paintwork of Montacino red metallic. Never seen this colour, mainly in autobiography, but it's absolutely perfect. Beautiful condition. Got the contrast roof, got the exterior stealth pack and riding on 20-inch alloys which are beautiful in black. Now the Montacino red paint, just look at the actual way that shimmers in this sunshine today. I don't think there's a nicer colour. It really does look like a custom paint job. It's absolutely wonderful. Now the car was taken in part exchange off a very, very nice owner. It's only a two-owner car from new, and the majority of the service documentation is all at the Land Rover main dealership and Land Rover specialist. So it's a very, very well maintained vehicle. The wheels are all in perfect order. There isn't a mark on any wheel. They are nigh on as good as new, and it's got the upgrade red Brembo brakes as well. Tyres are all fantastic. They're all branded tyres. I do believe they may be Pirelli Scorpions all round, but the stealth pack just adds to the vehicle. So what does a stealth pack contain? Well, we get the black mirrors, we get the black grills, black power vents. Then coming round the front, then we get the full black grille. All the badges on the Range Rover are all then in black as well, and they just look super, super, super. Now this one's got signature headlamps, so they will light up all around the headlamps as well. But it is in exceptional order. As I say, I don't think I've seen one of these as good as this. To say it is 7 years old. The sides of the car are perfect. There is no trolley dents or anything like that on this vehicle. The mirrors are in beautiful order. It's got the rear privacy glass as well as a factory option. It's got keyless entry and start. Then coming round to the back of the vehicle, we've then got the tail board and also the badges on the rear. They're all in the black exterior stealth package. The rear then gets the centre section in black rather than silver. This one's got an unused removable tow bar, which I'll show you because I've took it out of its case so you can see the fact that it's never been used whatsoever. We've got, as again, rear red brake calipers, but a great, great car. Now I've done about 300 miles in this car when it was on a private reg, so just as it got changed over I'd used it, and it drives as good as a 1-year-old Range Rover. I know that sounds a bit sort of, yeah, you're just saying that, Gray, but I kid you not, this car has got to be one of the best driving 15 plate Range Rovers I have ever had. Both sides, I said, are in superb order. This car's going in the showroom, by the way, so it's going to sit by brand new Range Rovers, it's going to sit by brand new Defenders, Bentleys, and it will not be out of place. Put a private reg on that and I'm telling you now, you'll be surprised that that is 7 years old. So jumping in, as I say, these little dimples, I puts that and then the keys lock. I've got the keys in my pocket, we've got 2 keys, put my hand in and everything opens because it's, but just look at the paint there, look at that. It's absolutely, I just love that candy pearlescent look of it. But inside we're not too dark, so it's got black and cream, so the top half is cream, so look at that door card in beautiful condition. We've got the electric memory heated seats for the passenger and the driver. We've got the power folding mirrors, illuminated kick plates when you open the door, 18-way electric seats, even the headrest electric. We've got lumbar, and they're all factory options. If you look on the advert, I've listed all the factory options on it, but it is a very, very well specified car. Electric steering column, we've got heated steering wheel, which is there. So I'm just going to fire her up there now. She starts up, no warning lights, no advisories or anything on the dashboard. We've got 71,247 miles. But there's your heated steering wheel for winter. That is a lovely order. We've got voice control, multifunction radio controls, cruise control, speed limiter, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers. The air conditioning is ice cold. It's just been regassed by the previous keeper. We've got heated seats, we've got climate control, we've got the whole shebang. You name it, this car's got it, and it's all in super condition. Easy to use touchscreen. Camera system is all there. Navigation, obviously you just press that dead easy on one of them. Bluetooth phone, audio, video. You can insert the disc, and it's also a DVD. DAB radio system. But everything on it is absolutely superb. Cup holders. In the centre box then we've got the USB and auxiliary and another 12-volt charger. Seats are all absolutely as comfortable as you could find. Heated front windscreen, auto dimming mirrors on the external and also internal. All the interior, the seats are all in superb order. I do like the lighter roof, and it just doesn't make it feel too dark in here, having the Montacino lighter head lining. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner didn't smoke in here. We've got the book pack down in the glove box. As I say, we've got the 2 keys. All the service history is pictured on the website as well, so if you wanted to see which mileage, I've detailed it in the words, but I've also took a picture up to 50,000 miles. It's Land Rover main dealership, and then for the last 4 from 50,000 to 71, I think it's the garage that the gentleman bought it off, and then 3 services at the Land Rover specialists. But beautiful car. In the rear, as I say, it's got the heated back seats. We've got a full set of Range Rover tailored mats, so they will be put in. It's just the carpets are slight damp because we've shampooed the carpets. Heated back seats, but even the Care Luxury notice is still on the seat. That's been there for what, 7 years? How mad's that? Also, you get in the back again the 2-tone leather door cards, the illumination. It's just fantastic. Just look at it, it's just fantastic. Even the painting beside the door shuts is glistening. Bumper corners are perfect, exhaust tips are all still chrome, electric tailgate as I pop it open. We've got, as I say, the full rubber tailored mat set. It's even got a load liner cover so you don't dirty your carpet. There is the brand new unused tow bar. How do I know it's unused? Because it's absolutely, there's the ball, there's no grease or scratches on the head. So that's all there. And then moving that out the way, this one also has a full-size alloy wheel. So that's not black, it's what probably the original wheels were, but you have got full size there, so you're never ever stuck whatsoever. Brilliant, eh? What more can I say? What more can I say? So, if you're in the market for arguably as good a Range Rover on a 15 reg as I've ever seen, with 2 keys, with full mat set, with excess of £5,000 worth of factory options when new, paintwork in exceptional condition, service history majority at Land Rover dealer and then at the Land Rover specialist, then I think the car is here. We've touched it in, there might you find the odd stone chip, but nothing at all which would be detrimental to the purchase of the car. Contrast roof, the colour's just a fantastic combination. Cherished number plate on there, and let me tell you, your friends will be well impressed. So, give us a call in Wigan. I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dominic on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Finance is available on this. Read the advert, all the information's there, but it is a lovely, lovely car. Have a look on our Facebook page, you'll see lots of customers from all over the country collecting their vehicles. Have a look on our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer on Auto Trader. We've been in business now more than 40 years, so we pretty know what we're doing. So thanks for your inquiry, and I look forward to meeting you when you come.